Hi everyone. Today is Friday, April 3rd, and it is our first practice day. And what practice day just means is there is no new lesson today. I just want you to continue practicing the skills that we've introduced over the last three class periods. And so since it's our very first practice day during distance learning, I kind of want to just make this video and just explain to you kind of the difference between a notes day and what these practice days are. And so here we go. And I'm going to do it on the computer. Now that we've been through this kind of routine for a few days here, almost a full week, my guess is you'll know the differences between the computer and the cell phone. And remember, they're very similar. You'll see all the same things. On a cell phone, it'll just scroll one right after the other instead of kind of having them in a block situation like this. But here we go. So again, today's Friday, April 3rd. It's our first practice day. And so here's your expectations on a practice day. First, the first two things you'll see is just like always, I have a review of yesterday's lesson. So yesterday's lesson was Target 15 Part 3. We work with the converse of the Pythagorean theorem, right? And so we're going to review that right off the bat. And then your instructions for today are finish worksheets Part 1, 2, and 3. And so all that is worksheet Part 1 comes from Tuesday. Part 1 worksheet. You've probably already started it, maybe finished it. Part 2 came from Wednesday. That's right here. Again, you've probably started it. Maybe you've even finished it. And finally, part 3 came from yesterday. And so, again, you've probably started it. Again, maybe you've finished it. And so the idea is just to slow it down, take a step back, and try to finish those three worksheets. Now, when you look at this section, it looks like there's quite a bit of stuff here, but nothing here is new. I've just re-included those worksheets, right? Here's part 1 and the answer key. Here's part 2 and the answer key. Part 3 and the answer key. I've just re-included them on this day, so you don't have to go searching for them if you just want to look them up and look at the problems you haven't done yet. So again, that's really the gist of today. It's a practice day, so no new lesson. We're still reviewing the old lesson, but then we're just trying to finish the first three worksheets that we've introduced this week. And so once you finish them all, you're done. So if you're already done with them, great, you're done with the day. Just make sure you fill out our attendance check still. And if you haven't finished them, try to finish them up today. Once you do, again, make sure you fill out our attendance check. And then since it's Friday, I put a video of people dunking on other people. I think that's fun. Go ahead and watch this. Hopefully you'll enjoy it, right? So that is the gist of the day. Go ahead and catch up, finish some worksheets, ask some questions like always, and also have a great, great weekend. I'm proud of you all. I really appreciate all your efforts, especially in this in the tough times we're living and working through right now. Keep it up, and I think everything's going to be okay. Thank you very much. Have a great day.